Okay, so I'm home. Someone asked me to wear this outfit. I don't know, I don't remember. I will try to get the comment. Let me show it to you. My house is a mess, so do not judge. I just got home from New York, so everything is still all over the place. But I got some ikea that I need to put together. I hate putting ikea furniture together. I was waiting until Steph come in town to do it for me, but I'm like, lazy ass, you can't do this. Why wait for someone to do it for you while you can do it? You know, I really want to do it myself, but at the same time I'm like, I'm not too sure. I feel like I need to fix the lighting on this camera. I know I don't get much light. I gotta put my Christmas tree. You know what, let's start working because I feel like if I keep on filming I'm not gonna do nothing. But ooh, I'm loving this view. So this is the hair that I was doing. Sometimes if you have an old wig, instead of throw it out, like just throw it away, you can always clean it and fix it, and baby, I'm in love right now. It looks super good. I'm so proud of myself. I did a great job, and I have a video of it for you guys. So not too crazy about the bang, but it's okay because I know me. I don't like my bang to be all over my eyes. Some people want their bang to be right here. I don't know why. Like me, even this one is like too long for me. That's why I'm not really a crazy fan of bang. But for someone that have a forehead, I should be a big fan of the bang situation life, but I'm not. So it's time to clean. Like, I fucking hate my couch. Oh, somebody make fun of me because of my couch. Like, for the record, I don't really like the couch. Just a couch for now until I get my shit together. But sometimes people online can be so mean, so fucking mean. I forgot what he said about the couch. I'll put the comment somehow for ya. Like, that was me. I'm not a big fan of brown couch either, but you know what, for now on it's perfect for me. That's what I could afford, you know. Anyway, people are gonna be people. What can you do? So I'm just gonna clean. Maybe let's just see some shit I'm doing, and pretty much I want to eat something today. Let me see if this gets good light if I'm inside. Not really, not really, not really. Not that bad of a light situation, but not that good either. I don't know. pay people to do something things for you, but when you do it yourself, you feel like you're doing something better. Like, I love the way I did this one. I literally love the way I did it. I feel like maybe if I paid someone to do it, it would have been okay, but I don't know. I feel like I love the way it came out better than if I paid someone to do it. So now we have 2 tables. I really hate my couch, I'm not gonna lie about it. Like I told you, someone made fun of me of it already, but I'm trying to make it look cute because I'm not buying a couch in it now. I might get a couch for my birthday or maybe February, but not now. And I still don't know which type of couch that I like. I still don't know. So I think I want to have a nice lamp right here, because over here it's so dark. Like you can see, kitchen, it's very light, very bright, but the living room is dark. I love it like this. I'm not gonna lie, I do love it. It's just that sometimes if I'm doing something, you know, it could be, yeah, and we have to do this whole thing right here. We have to do this one, but sometimes if I'm doing something, it's not the best, but the place is coming. I'm excited for the people that's been there since the beginning of this apartment story. It's been almost a year and this apartment still not together yet, and I'm not ashamed of it. Literally, I'm taking it day by day, step by step.
I'm sorry, we have no mid-size available at the moment.
I don't understand.
Step by step. Yeah, step by step, but it's coming along. I don't mind it. I don't think I'm gonna do I was thinking about the curtains, but I'm not sure if I want to get some. I don't know about it. I don't know. I feel like I want to finish, put everything together and see if I need curtains. Now for those two things right here, I'm not a big fan of it at all. When I say I'm not a big fan of them at all, I think I have to go to Ross to see if I can find some of that painting. Like you see that painting? I did saw 2 more that could have been so good. Like, I don't know, I'm not feeling, I love the idea of having the blank painting, like the blank canvas thing. I love that idea. I think it's super cool for me. I'm crazy like this, but also I need a better pillow for my couch. So I'm not too crazy about the couch, but I don't hate it also. I don't know, it's so weird, you know. I'm not too crazy about the color. The color looks so disgusting. For a brand new couch, it doesn't look new at all. And also, I did return this couch, so basically I will give it away very soon to somebody and get another one, because I didn't know that it's kind of like I didn't pay for it, because Wayfair didn't want to come back to get it, and I was like, you know what, fuck it. Yeah, the one that I want is out of stock, so I was like, you know what, I'll just wait. There's 2 things that I need at Wayfair right now. I literally have like a gift card, like a balance with them, so you cannot transfer that balance to your credit card. It's like a credit store in a way. And then now I'm stuck because I could have go to Overstock and buy something. I can't. Now I have to freaking wait. Yo, what the fuck is that? Oh, that's the charger. Yo, this look like a fucking little snake. I was like, oh my god, look at that. Oh, can you guys see it? It's the damn charger. It looked like a little snake. Yo, I almost died. Yeah, I almost died. But anyway, so I'm gonna put this together, clean, and I have to do my tray. Can't wait. So let's do this and get it over with. I got my Christmas tree and it's come looking a little bit, not a little bit, like it looks like a hot mess that come on the outside, so I'm praying it looks better on the inside. It's my first time ever having a Christmas tree, ever. I never had one ever, and I've been living with myself since I was 16, but for some reason I never had one. I'm also cooking. This is like my 1 meal for the whole week, so I will mix and match it Today I will drink it up as a soup. Tomorrow I will mix it with some potatoes. The next day with something else. You know, make it work, make it work, make it work. But it tastes so good though. Oh my god. It's amazing. I'm kissing this one. Oh yeah. This is so good. I love this. That's my favorite meal ever. So I'm going to unpack this and wish me luck. I'm sorry. Horrible. But yeah, let's do this. So far, this come on top of it. What the fuck is that? I think she's the queen of this shit. I think I should text her and ask her what the fuck is this, because I don't know. I think she said she's going to sleep. Yep, she's going to sleep. I'm gonna just send her a picture, but I don't know. Come with a lot of stuff, which is great. I didn't want to buy stuff. Okay, it's coming for a lot of things, guys. This is great because I didn't want to buy any of those, so I'm kind of loving the idea of that. So far so good. So far so good, guys. This is my first tray ever and I do not know what to do. Okay, I don't know what the hell is this. I have no clue. Okay, this I kind of think I know what it is. I know what this is. Oh yeah. morning, guys. So I'm not sure which day is today. Well, it's been like 2 days since I kind of touched this camera. It's been 2 days, so I'm going to walk. I was like, you know what, let me show you a simple makeup look that you can do if you have acne and you don't want to look in very, very oily skin, but you don't want to look like a grease ball going out. I think this is like some powder, some what I do, I use setting powder and I use primer, and I end up having this as a face. Of course, I think I have a little blur on my camera, but then again, in person, I like it, so that's really what's matter, because I'm looking at it right now. I'm gonna see if I can do it on my phone to show you guys. My phone is just trash. I'm still gonna show it to you. My phone is a little bit trash, but you can see if my phone is trash, I don't know why it gives me that yellow color, which I hate, but you can see it look nice, so I don't look like a grace monkey. That's really my problem, just still looking like a grace monkey. I don't care, just don't want to look like a grace monkey. I'm not sure I'm gonna vlog too much today because I'm gonna be at work. So I'll see. I don't need that lip gloss. I swear to you, I don't need that lip gloss. I'm gonna have to remove it because I'm gonna have to wear a mask all day long, so I don't need it. But I just wanted to show you and say hi. I think we might vlog tomorrow. Like you can see, the tree is still not done, but baby, I'm loving the tree. Look at that. It's so full, so beautiful. Thanks, Yubin, because she literally sent me the link for this tree. She did a great job, and it was so cheap. I think I only paid like $129 for this. Yeah. Like you can see, my Christmas life is not there yet, but it's coming. It's coming. That's why I didn't do vlog mask, because I don't know, have enough money to do it. But then again, I'm trying. Yeah, what I was saying, yeah, Brussels and yeah, I told you, baby.
That's it?
And the wings. I told you I cooked wings.
Oh, the one that you made last night, right?
Yeah. They were good. Extremely good.
I'm finally happy a little bit. My money finally started to go.
I know you don't play with your
Yeah, I'm still happy. I bought this fucking thing. Remember that thing I was telling you I wanted to buy, the knee protocol?
Yeah. You get it?
I was like, yo, how the fuck I'm gonna buy this shit? So I bought it when it was like, I could have bought it when it was like $8.87. I ended up buying it. Damn. And I fucked up too. I could have get it at $5.
Yeah, how much it is right now?
It's at $12 right now.
Oh, yeah, you fucked up big time. But I mean, if you still have it, that's okay, you know.
That's it. That's it. I could have get it at fucking $6. I'm at $1 million.
Woo! You can finally buy me that car that I want.
Straight up.
It's okay, you just call me fat. Why can't I say when you just call me fat?
I didn't think you heard me.
Of course. Why can't I say when you just call me fat? For the light up?
Light it up, baby.
What do you think? I love.
Let's go.
I know. Oh my god, oh my tree. Sorry. My best treat ever! Okay. Okay, sorry.
I fucking hate it.
It's okay, I fucking love it! Oh my god! god! Oh my fucking god! I'm having like I don't know.
Can you turn the lights off now? I'm not paying the bill station.
Huh?
Can you turn the lights on?
Oh, shut up. Oh,
I'm not paying the bill station.
it's beautiful.
Are you gonna cry?
Yes. I'm not gonna cry. Look at that. It's fucking beautiful. Hold on. Guys, it's fucking pretty. I'm just putting the light. You cannot see if I put the light. You cannot see when I put the light. Can you see? Nope. I'm gonna try to give you. Yep, that's all you guys think. Where you guys can see it. What's that? What's blacking me? Oh, okay. So basically, the light is blacking. Oh, it's so strange the way the camera blacking is one thing. I'll try to do it with the phone so you guys can see, but it's beautiful. I did not expect this to look like this at all, guys. So we doing something. I'm happy. I'm happy with the result. Good afternoon. Merry Christmas. Like, you know what, since I'm gonna spend my Christmas alone, why not vlog it for ya? You know, pretty much some people doing the same thing or dealing with the same situation as me. Steph is at work, he couldn't make it, so I'm all by myself. I didn't want to spend time with family this year. I just like, I feel like I'm always the one going to family house. I was like, not this year, fuck it. So we're doing it by myself. So I'm wearing like a nice, not a, like a little, it's like a dress. My feet is very ashy. Let's not talk about the ashiness. Yeah, it's very ashy. I don't know. I just literally do a hair removal on my legs. I do have a video on that, so I was like, you know what? I forgot what I said, but I'm not sad today. I'm tired though. I'm not sad. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I didn't eat nothing for the whole day. And look at this tree. There's no gift underneath it. I gotta basically wrap my own gift to put under the tree. And I'm lazy to do it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm lazy to do it. Because I didn't have money to really give nobody gifts this year. I did not have it. And I was not gonna try to kill myself to do it. I don't know. Before I will go above and beyond to do shit for people. Lately, I'm trying something different. You know, someone told me something the other day, and I'm like, I did not realize that I do that, but that's crazy. And I don't have no makeup on, so I know I'm filming. I should have put some makeup on to look cute for you, but it's an off day. I cannot be seeing me with makeup only, you know? Sometimes I need to let my face breathe. That's why I'll be having so much acne sometimes, because my face don't have time to heal, you know? That's why I'm leaving my face alone. I'm not wearing makeup for the whole month. Well, the month almost done now. So, and I think I wanna go back to wearing makeup maybe on my birthday, maybe, or maybe before that. We'll see how that goes, because I'm so used to makeup and I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. So I'm gonna pack my own gift. Okay, I will try to vlog to show you what I do for today. I'm definitely gonna get some eggnog. I'm making some steak. It's gonna be a great day though. It's gonna be a great day. Don't feel sad for me. Don't feel sad for me. Okay? It's gonna be an amazing day. I'm gonna have so much fun by myself, and I'm gonna watch my favorite show. Listen, let me show you how to be alone. Let me show you how to have a great motherfucking day by yourself. Okay? So that's the next. Merry Christmas, guys. I love you so much. Merry Christmas. John gave me this, and that was so sweet of her. She didn't have to. It's like a gift card, so I'm gonna put it in the box. You know. I bought myself something else. It's like a bodysuit, so that's my second gift. Okay, I should have wiped this one a little bit better, but I'm lazy. I did it while I was at work. So this is like the gift that I don't know how to explain this really to you, but I'm gonna pack this. So what it is, it's like a trip to Greece, $1 million in Dogecoin, debt-free, house, new car. Yeah, I guess that's my wish for years. So when you open it, it's still a gift in a way. I don't know, it means something to me. That's really what's matter. So I'm just gonna pack this, and that's my last one. So far, this is what we got. Season 2, episode 2, and I don't know, I want to stop watching it because I'm afraid that I'm gonna be pissed because the end is not there. It's so clean. I'm about to make, I have vegetables, I have potatoes, I just need some steak, really. And I think I have some drink, but look at my tree. Look at it. Look at it. I'm in love. I'm in love. I did a great job. I'm in love. Yeah. Yeah, I did this. I say thank you to Steph though, because he's the one that got me the tree. Yeah, thank you, Steph. Because this is beautiful. I wanted a tree so bad this year. So fucking bad. That was the best Christmas gift ever. Yeah. Getting my tree. I'll post the link of that tree for you below, because you know what? My sister literally sent the link to me, and I gotta say, it was freaking amazing. It was a great deal. Like, I did not think like it was gonna come with all of those things. I didn't really buy nothing really for this tree. Everything came with it, like the skirt, the ornament, everything. Oh, the star, I bought the stuff for like $10 on Amazon, but everything else came with it. And I think that this whole big ass tree was like $129. Great as still. Okay, and everything else from the on top of the TV was from Dollar Tree. So we didn't spend much money. Like the budget was really tight this year, but I'm happy I got a tree. I'm happy, I'm grateful. That's, you know, yeah, pretty much not bad. And Steph is on the phone. You cannot see him. He's always on the phone usually. I don't know what he's doing, but I'm gonna finish packing this. And I wanted to put some makeup on for today, but it's okay. I wanna cook first, and then you wanna say hi, Steph? He's looking at me. So I have my red sweater I wanna wear tonight, but let's finish packing this shit and then, you know, get a
Yeah. Yeah. Shit out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. If you're with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it blows up. Yeah, we're gonna live the good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good girl. And I can't deny that you're such what I do. You caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the shy girl. I'm not a player, no, I'm not the guy, girl. Listen, yeah, I know that we could fly up in the sky, a place we could try, girl. Yeah, you know that I've been around this time, up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl.
This is my setup for the night. So I'm gonna eat watching my favorite show at the moment. If anyone watching this show, please let me know you like it. Yes, I feel like I need to show you my food because there's no light over here. So let me just show you the food. So this is potato, baked potato, Brussels steak. I love bones, so that's why I always like, instead of getting a steak, I usually get that one that's very cheap, and then it's there's a lot of bones. Most people don't like the bones part, so which is good for me because I end up paying less money for steak. But so yeah, but this is my plate, and I'm gonna enjoy my food. I'll talk to y'all, but I'm gonna enjoy my food. Literally can't wait. I should take a picture of it.
To play with, yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. I found you, girl. You got me.
But over here it's eggnog. I didn't have cremas. Usually I will do cremas, my tradition, but it's kind of, for me, I feel like that's like making my own cremas. Oh yeah. Oh. Papi mal no va a Papi mal no es un meme. No fue muy un meme. Ok, bah, pas de problème. On a parlé, passez bonne journée, passez bonne nuit. Ah ben ok, pas de problème, quand t'appelles là.
D'accord, chérie.
Ok, papa, bye. I told my dad that I don't have money. Literally, today, I told her I don't have money like this. And guess what? He calls me, and literally, it's like what I said did not register. I know he's sick, but sometimes I feel like he just wastes money. Like you give them money, you don't know what the fuck he does with it. I'm not the only one that gives them money. My other sister does also, but it's whatever. No, I don't have it. I have to find a way to send him money to buy medication. And I killed you not. After 2 weeks, he's gonna need different medication. It's never enough. Yeah. I mean, I love my dad, but sometimes I feel like I'm getting used. I'm not gonna lie to you. I know I'm not supposed to say that in camera, but he doesn't understand English, so he won't get that. Thanks God, and I don't think none of my family watch my vlog, so yeah. And if they do, they wanna comment some stupid shit about it, fuck them, because they don't fucking know what the fuck I deal with, and they don't fucking help. The one that understand English anyway, they don't help that much, so only one help. The rest, they don't. So, but yeah. Anyway. Show you my wheels. I'll show you my wheels. It was a great video though. Right. It got 900 views. It was okay, it was nice. Nice enough. Will sometimes be good to me, sometimes Will's just like acting like a bitch. It's on and off. I feel like I've been on Instagram forever and my followers do not grow at all. Oh, yeah guys, I feel like I'm done. This was my day pretty much. I cook, I ate, I clean, had some Kindle. I'm about to edit some video, like you can see within my laptop. I'm about to edit some video. I really wanted to eat the popcorn though. I feel like I messed it up. It burned. I don't know. It said 4. Oh, most bags will be done in less than 4 minutes. My dumbass thought they said 4. Look at that. I burn a damn popcorn. Who the fuck does that? But it's not gonna go to waste. Hold up. Okay, it's really burned. We can not do that. To the garbage. It's okay. I really didn't even want to make myself another one. I don't feel like making myself another one right. Oh! God damn it! What the fuck? In Haiti, they will tell you that it's because like you have to give. Like, I don't know, when you're drinking something with alcohol, you have to drop some on the floor. I don't know how to explain this. Yeah, if you're drinking something, you gotta drop some in the floor. Fuck it. Okay, yeah, there it is. There it is. Leave me the fuck alone. Some shit like this, but it's some voodoo shit. Whatever. Okay. By the way, I do not practice voodoo. I just keep that straight, but of course, some people of my family do. I was raised in a family that practiced voodoo, but of course, I try my best not to practice. But certain shit is just tradition. I look at it from culture, tradition, you know. Okay, let's do this. Oh, all right. It was a pleasure to be with you. Thank you so much for spending Christmas with me, my lonely ass Christmas. So I think me trying to record make it fun. So yeah, thank you guys. Love you. Deuces. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.